Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, preparation. My name is Siti from the Geography Education Department. Here I have permission to make a video from the English subject with the sporting lecture Miss Neni Marlina MPD. I too took the topic flood in our contour. Folding is an event that an area is submerged due to an increase in the volume of river water inland. This event often occurs in Indonesia, land in riverside area that are made into such lands which will result in a lack of soil absorption of the water evaporates and increase which can cause flooding in our contour. Even though our contour will be rich in natural resources, my of which are scarce will not be found in the contour, but is even can have in our contour because my people are not responsible for the action that were can of which results in a food event or the activities he cares of by me detrimental to other people but in that area and in others as a result of the food events. It is not only in big cheats to small cheat balls also have hookless not only damage building and the economy impact will also have a very big impact for Indonesia. It's in the area West Java provision. This sport is an event that often occurs during the rain season because in this area of West Java it is surrounded by various rivers and it's a great loss from farmers to just shoulder because flood occur when floods occur. Flood even do not only occur in Indonesia but also in neighboring city or countryside of Thailand, Myanmar, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, the Philippines, Pakistan, as well as developed countries South I, Australia, France, Germany, England, America, etc. Even in this country where water is scarce on a daily basis, floods have occurs floods in parts Indonesia which occur in January and February are caused by very rainfall intensity for explain rainfall intensity. My bit is I can say I am for of less sorry. Thank you to lecture Miss Neni Marlina and thank you all friend. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.